Welcome to the Interpro Cabin Network. So, how to make your kitchen workshop work. First, consider the layout and ensure that the basic configuration of appliances, sink, counter space, storage are optimized to your needs. I think of the kitchen in terms of loosely dedicated zones for different types of activities. Kitchen sinks work extra hard because they're involved in both prep and cleanup duties, and they need counter space on each side for clean and soiled items. Cooking surfaces need counter space on each side for raw and cooked food. Decent amount of clear counter space dedicated for food prep with no small appliance parking is crucial for pleasant and efficient cooking. Park that bread maker somewhere else. Another tip, loading surfaces. Areas of clear counter space near ovens and fridges are important for loading and unloading. As always, thank you for watching the Interpro Cabin Network. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something or liked what you saw.